They just love a great pie. Yeah! We've had snow and god damn it, more snow. It's getting ridiculous. Cars are going woo all over the place. It's absolutely blah. Crazy business as usual. How have you people been on the road? Have you gone skinny winny, gone wee, straight on the camera? It's great, it's crazy. What do you think of it? Personally, I don't mind the snow too much. It's a bit sort of crazy, if you know what I mean. But ice on the road, just be careful. All I say is knock up to higher gears and go, hey, I'm on the snow, yeah. Anyway, there, that's great. Just want to say, hope you're all good. Hope there's all things going on in your life. Happy. And one thing I have to say is a new craze is going about. It's basically called yeah, and it's absolutely awesome. It's just spreading. It all started when I can't even remember how or why it started. I just remember yeah, and then someone else went yeah, and then before you know it, yeah, and then people who I barely even know would come up to me and just go yeah, and then family and friends started going yeah, and then we all went yeah, big yeah pie, and it's awesome. So let's spread the beauty that is yeah. So I want everybody just going around the country, the world, just going yeah, and we can spread the love and make the world a greater place. So on that great high note of yeah, from me, Mr. Egg, the most electrifying YouTuber, and your people's champion. See you soon.